All right,
but I graduated before that number.
Okay.
I'm not old. That's the day I've been having.
You got this, Monty.
Don't become a music teacher in a public school.
Challenge accepted.
You can have my job and win.
I'm good. I work with puppies.
I work with munchkins. And some of them are taller than me. And they're in 5th grade.
What are these kids?
It's the scary ones that are taller than me. Yeah, I've been here for a very long time. Yeah. Okay, so this song is called Sounds of Someday, written by Steve Carlson and Jensen Ackles. Anybody know his show? Thank you, back corner. It's this one. It's called Supernatural. It ran for like 15 seasons. It's amazing. Go watch it on Netflix. So this is Jensen Ackles' band. They wrote it. It actually premiered on an episode that he directed for the 15th season. So if it sounds familiar because you watched it, that's why. All right.